In what fields is the PDC core bit used? I believe that everyone is no stranger to the PDC core bit and often sees it in important engineering fields. Because the drill bit has the hardness and performance not found in other similar products, a wide variety of PDC core bits can be used for drilling and geological exploration or used in oil field engineering. It also performs well during use because it has beyond the imagination of the drill bit function, and it will not easily cause various phenomena on the drill bit. Let's take a look at several major areas that PDC core bits often use. First, geological research and development survey field. The PDC core bit is used in many geological R&D projects and surveys. Because different geological layers behave differently and are harder rock formations, only the PDC core bit with a harder drill bit can meet its operating conditions and can successfully carry out drilling surveys of rock layers of different grades or stone hardness, and can also be suitable for the thermal energy transmitted by the rock during the drilling process will not be easily deformed or damaged. Second, the field of coal mining and mining. The PDC core bit is also often used in the field of coalfield drilling and mining. The main purpose is to use a drill bit to drill and mine a mine at the surveyed point. This task can also be accomplished because the PDC core bit has a strong hardness. In addition, it has the characteristics of corrosion resistance, which can easily replace different types of drill bits, which can meet the mining or deep digging of coal fields and can avoid drill bit failure. Third, petroleum exploration. In the field of petroleum exploration, PDC core bit is often used for drilling or surveying, because oil wells need to drill deeper depths and require the performance of the drill bit to be stable in order to meet the drilling needs of different oil wells. The quality of the oil well environment affects the quality, especially various substances in the oil environment are highly corrosive. Only PDC core bit with good tolerance can meet the requirements of drilling. The above are the major areas that PDC core bit is often used in. It can also be clearly seen that the reason why it can be used in these necessary areas mainly depends on the various performance advantages of PDC core bit that can meet the operations in these areas. Therefore, in order to successfully complete drilling requirements in different fields, it is necessary to effectively understand which PDC core bit is cost-effective. By purchasing a high-quality drill bit, the quality performance in the drill hole can be improved and the drill bit life can be extended. Normal use time.